Installing Node.js for beginners. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allows you to execute JavaScript code on the server side. It's a powerful tool for modern web development. Here is a simple and quick guide to installing Node.js on your Windows machine. Download Node.js. Go to the official Node.js website. You will see two available versions, LTS, long-term support, and the current version. For beginners, it is recommended to choose the LTS version for more stability. Install Node.js. Download the installer by clicking on the button corresponding to the LTS version. Once the download is complete, open the .mc file to launch the installation. Follow the instructions in the installation wizard. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. Choose the default installation folder or specify another path, then click Next. Make sure the Add to Path option is checked. This will allow you to access Node.js from any terminal. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Verify the installation. Open Cmder or another terminal. Type the following command to verify that Node.js is installed correctly, node v. You have now installed Node.js on your Windows machine. You are ready to start developing server-side JavaScript applications. Don't forget to check out the official Node.js documentation to explore its many features. Happy coding! Open your browser, search for Cmder download, and click the first link to cmder.net. On the website, scroll down and click Download Full. Your download starts automatically. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file, select Extract All, and extract it to your preferred location. Open the Cmder folder and double-click cmder.x to launch. Cmder is ready to use. Git. Go to the official Git website git-scm.com and click on Download to get the installer for Windows. Run the installer. Open the downloaded file. An installation window will pop up. Click Next on each step. Installation options. You can leave all the options at their default settings. This is usually the best choice. Keep clicking Next until you reach Install. Install Git. Click Install and wait while Git is installed on your computer. Finish the installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Make sure to start, create a new folder on your desktop named Cmder_demo. Then, open your preferred terminal, such as PowerShell or Cmd. Use the command cd desktop Cmder_demo to navigate to this newly created folder. Next, we will clone the Cmder GitHub repository using the git clone command followed by the GitHub link that you can copy from the project page. This will download all necessary files into your Cmder_demo folder. Once the cloning is complete, navigate to the newly created Cmder folder using cd cmder. Inside, to launch Cmder, execute cmder.x. Cmder is now ready to be used with all its features, including full integration with Git for your development projects. Enjoy your new advanced terminal setup and don't forget to explore the many customizable features that Cmder offers to enhance your daily workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video helped you. See you next time.